Hello, and welcome to Be More Productive YouTube channel, a platform to learn new things to improve your work productivity. Below are some important points which you will be able to understand by the end of this tutorial. Let's get started. WORKDAY is a widely used function, and it is being used to calculate due dates, delivery dates, and other dates that should exclude non-working days. You can also exclude holidays, besides weekends, Saturday and Sunday, which Excel excludes by default. Let us understand how can you use this function in practical scenario. We receive some request from customer, and each request needs to complete in a predefined timeline. Our goal is to find out the due date for each request by excluding weekend and holidays. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to get future video updates.